Hey everyone, welcome back to Coach Mastering Academy. Today we're diving into the world of running an online business and uncovering the secrets to making thousands of dollars every month. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this guide will set you on the path to success. Running an online business might seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. By leveraging the power of a well-designed website and a strategic application, you can turn your ideas into a profitable venture. 1. The website. Let's begin with your website, the cornerstone of your online presence. Creating a website today is easier than ever. Platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix offer user-friendly interfaces that require no coding knowledge. Here's what you need: clear and engaging design. Ensure your website is visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality images and compelling content to attract visitors. SEO optimization. Implement proper keywords, meta descriptions, and quality content to rank higher on search engines. Mobile-friendly interface with the majority of users accessing the internet through their phones. It's crucial to have a responsive design that works seamlessly on all devices. Secure payment gateways. If you're selling products or services, secure payment options are a must to build trust with your customers. 2. The application. Now let's talk about your application. Whether it's a mobile app or a software platform, an application can take your business to the next level. Identify your audience, understand your target audience, and develop an application that caters to their needs. This could be anything from a productivity tool to a game or a service app. User-friendly interface. Just like your website, your application should be intuitive and easy to use. Conduct user testing to refine the user experience. Regular updates and maintenance. Continuously improve your application based on user feedback and technological advancements. Monetization. Strategies: explore various monetization models such as freemium, subscription, or in-app purchases to generate revenue. 3. Monetizing your business. Now let's talk about the money. Here are some effective strategies to turn your online presence into a revenue-generating machine. Diversified income streams. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore avenues like affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products. Email marketing. Build an email list and engage with your audience through newsletters, promotions, and exclusive offers. Social media presence. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok to expand your reach and drive traffic to your website and application. And there you have it. Building and running a successful online business doesn't have to be complex. With a well-designed website, a strategic application, and smart monetization strategies, you can create a lucrative income stream that grows month after month. Don't forget, it takes dedication and perseverance. Rome wasn't built in a day, but with the right tools and mindset, your online business can thrive and bring in thousands of dollars every month. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and online business success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.